What happens when the path we walk is altered by strangers, and fairness measured by shrinking hands? Discover the deep wisdom behind a legendary Minangkabau proverb that warns of cultural change and economic injustice. The land of Minangkabau is rich with culture, where every mountain and breeze carries ancient stories. Our ancestors left us not castles, but wisdom, captured in proverbs. These proverbs are more than sayings, they are guides for life, the soul of our identity. They shape our customary law, teaching us about community, respect, and resilience. In a changing world, these words anchor us. One powerful proverb is, it warns of two dangers, losing our traditions and eroding justice. This proverb is a mirror, asking us, are our paths still our own? Are our measures still fair? By understanding it, we connect with our ancestors and arm ourselves for modern challenges. This is not just learning, it's preserving our culture. Let's keep this wisdom alive for generations to come. The first part, the path is shifted by passers-by, reminds us how easily tradition can be altered. Our cultural path, shaped by generations, is vulnerable to outside influences. Outsiders may unknowingly divert our way, and over time, our original path fades. Today, global culture tempts our youth, sometimes replacing our own music, language, and values. The danger isn't change itself, but uncritical acceptance that erases our roots. The proverb urges us to be mindful guardians, welcoming, but never forgetting the trail our ancestors laid. We must protect our customs, ensuring our path remains clear. Our identity depends on it. The second phrase, the measure is chipped by the trader, warns against economic injustice. A symbol of fairness, is diminished by dishonesty. When traders cheat, trust erodes and the community suffers. Today, this is seen in unfair business practices and exploitation by powerful outsiders. The proverb teaches us to demand integrity in our markets and support honest local businesses. Economic justice is as vital as cultural tradition. When the measure is whole, trust and prosperity follow. We must keep our economic values strong. The proverb unites two pillars, custom and justice. When culture weakens, so does honesty in trade. Protecting heritage means living its values, honesty, community, and fairness. Elders must teach, parents must model, and youth must balance tradition with change. We must create space for our culture and support fair trade. By strengthening both pillars, Minangkabau stands resilient. Our society thrives when both path and measure are preserved. The proverb is a call to action. Be vigilant, be proud, and be just. We must adapt, but also protect what makes us unique. Let's speak our language, celebrate our art, and support honest traders. Every choice we make reinforces our society's pillars. The future of Minangkabau is in our hands. Let's walk forward, rooted in wisdom, toward a just and vibrant future. May the soul of Minangkabau shine for generations to come.